Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tesla Daily Investor. So this is the second installment of the day. So I'm going to be investing another £100 into the market. So again, I'm just going to have a quick look at the portfolio. It's down today. So my general investment account is just under 90,000, stocks and shares just under 13,000, and my SIP is just over 1,000. So the trend is downwards. At one time the entire portfolio was worth around £130,000. So it's taken a hit, but it's good news because I can invest more with my money. So that's what I'm gonna do now. This is very much a long-term strategy, 5 to 10 years, and I'm going to be investing in specific companies that I believe in. So I believe Tesla is going to be big on autonomy. I believe NVIDIA is going to be big on AI, and MicroStrategy is going to play a key part in Bitcoin development. So I've got my eyes firmly on the future. This portfolio, this strategy is between 5 and 10 years. So I'm not going to be selling any shares before 5 years. So anything that I do selling wise will happen after 5 years. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to deploy another £100 into the market. So this is the second installment of the day. So I'm going to start with Tesla now. So I'm going to be investing £80 into Tesla. The price at the moment is 370. It was, I think, about 333, something like 360, something like that earlier. So it's down just over 2%, but I'm not too concerned about the daily fluctuations, but it's nice to see. So if you look at the 1 day, it's down 2%, 7 days down 7%, 1 month down 9%, 3 month up 15%, 6 month up 87%, 1 year up 97%, and max up 620%. So as you can see, it's a very volatile stock. My price target for Tesla within the next 5 years is 1,000, and I'm being very conservative. So my plan is to hopefully accumulate 1,000 shares. So far I've got around 385 shares in Tesla, so I've got a long way to go, but I'm going to try and accumulate as much as I can. If I can even get to 500 and it gets to the price reaches 1,000 eventually, then that's going to be 500,000 in my ISA. If I can get to 1,000 shares and then the price becomes 1,000, obviously that's $1 million in the portfolio, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and do the buying. So £80 into Tesla. I'm going to review the order. I'm going to confirm the buy. Sending the order through. It takes a couple of seconds. And that's done. Tesla buy has completed, so that's done. I've deployed another £80 into Tesla. Now what I'm going to do is put £10 into NVIDIA. Again, my target is to get to 100 shares as soon as I can. At the moment I've got 2.57 shares, so I've got a long way to go, but hopefully I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna give it my best shot. So here goes. I'm gonna be buying another £10. I'm gonna review the order, confirm the buy, sending the order through, and that NVIDIA buy is complete now. So that's done. And now finally my MicroStrategy shares. So at the moment I've got 0.58 shares in MicroStrategy. I'm just looking at the movement today. So it's down just over 2%, 7 days down 6%, 1 month down about 10%, 3 months up 21%, 6 months up 150%, 1 year up 546.9%, and the maximum growth is around 2,000% over the last 5 years. So it is a very volatile stock. I believe in Bitcoin. I should have invested more into MicroStrategy. It was an error, but I'm gonna try and rectify that error and start investing as much as I can. And again, it's very much a long-term strategy. If it goes down by 50%, You know, I'm not going to be too concerned. I'm going to feel a bit anxious, but I'm going to try and override that because I've seen how volatile this stock is. So I'm going to try and load up more. So here goes. I'm going to buy another £10. Review the order, confirm the buy. Okay, and that's done now. So I've bought all three. I bought £80 in Tesla, £10 in NVIDIA, and £10 in MicroStrategy. So this is the second installment of the day. I'm gonna deploy another £100 into the market before the market closes, and then that's it for the day. I'll have deployed £300 into the market, and then I'm gonna do it tomorrow as well. So that's it for today. If you enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and you know, see how I go on, see if I can continue this excellent habit. It is really good to invest every day. Like, I'm doing it 3 times a day because I actually enjoy doing this, building this good habit and trying to get into the investment mindset. I'm learning more about Tesla, I'm learning more about NVIDIA and MicroStrategy, and raising my conviction levels, and I'm preparing myself mentally as well if it does go down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%, that I need to continue to just invest in the market and be unafraid. So that's it for today. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment and I will answer all questions. So thank you very much and have a great afternoon.